Assalamu alaikum guys, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you for choosing to watch this video. It really means a lot to me. So if you are new here, let me quickly introduce myself. I am one among you. I do a relatable shopping, lifestyle content or thoda drama free content also. Okay, so in today's video it's not about a haul, it's just a Ramzan preparation that went out of control. Yeah, so now this trolley looks like I own a boutique, I know, so please don't judge me. Inside this there are Zudio, Savannah and Mintra websites, basically every brand that screams to me like add to cart, add to cart. So stay till the end because we are calculating today's emotional damage together. Okay, so how did it happen means I just went Zudio for like one night suit, to be honest. Okay, because Ramadan is coming. Okay, we should be comfortable with our most comfy wear, right? So I just went Zudio for getting one night suit, guys. Just trust me. But what Zudio did was, oh my god. See, I'll show you one by one. Okay, watch today. I'll show you one by one. I swear you two will be enjoying this video. So don't like to like, share and subscribe.
So let's see what's inside. The reason I put in this trolley is Ramadan was coming, I was cleaning my home, so I don't like messy things in and around there. So what I did was I just took all the clothes and put it in one trolley, and there is also one Zudio bag waiting there where I have makeup things I bought from there. So now let's reveal what's inside the trolley. Dun, dun, dun. Yes. So I have Mintra, I have Savannah, I have Zudio. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, guys. So this is the reason I went for Zudio. Okay, this night suit. Okay, guys. What literally shocked me is the fabric. Like fabric उतना soft है कि मतलब genuinely soft, not that itchy type. दो washes के बाद दुश्मन बन जाते हैं. No, this is really good. I swear the night suits are so good. Like I don't think anybody can give for this affordable one. So for the price I'll tell at the end of the video. Okay, so watch till the end of the video. And the cutest thing about this night dress is it has one cute knot. Can you see this? Okay, so you can wear this even for when you are hanging out with friends. It's actually not like a night suit, guys. It's moreover like a cord, and it also has a pant with dotted strawberry scattered around the pant. So through the design it just comes like this. It's just 10 on 10, trust me guys. And next cutest thing is, oh my god, I don't know, I just feel like I'm flying. Okay, I'm not hyping, I'm just telling what I really feel. Okay, so next is I just went to buy one night suit, and you know what happened? I ended up getting another two night suits. Okay, I'll show you. So this is another cute night suit. I know this is the same white, but still I love this pattern because can you just see there are like stripes? That stripes feel so trendy, like up to date. And there is also bow design. Yeah, a bow attached with a belt. So it's so cute, and there are heart shaped. I'll just keep the close up so that you can feel the design. I don't know will camera really do it justice, but I do love this so much. And the best thing is it comes with the buttons, so it's easy to wear. You don't want to mess your hair, all those things. It's just so comfy. And the thing is, it also has a pant with the same design throughout. So most of the night suits will be like the top or the t-shirt will have a few designs, whereas the bottom will be plain or solid color. But in Zudio, it's like they have printed a same design for both top and bottom. So it really feels so good. And best part is at the end of the pant it comes with an elastic so that it gives a secluded, it just locks your ankle. It's so good. And the elastic also, it's good. It's not that bad, it's good actually. So okay, now let me show my third night suit. Okay, okay. This is my third night suit. I don't know, recently I became like more conscious about colors. I usually prefer solid tones, so I'm not a white girl aesthetic actually. So this is the first time I'm getting two white night suits, and this is moreover like my vibe. So this is solid color. I usually prefer solid colors or monotones over the mixed or dye patterns. So this just feels like me. It has some cute pocket, and it also has the button type. Yeah, and the waistband is also too good. Waistband is also too good. It's like a palazzo. Actually, not palazzo. It's like a straight pant. It's good, guys. And what they did was amazing. For this, they had just added a piping of white layer to make more aesthetic and sleek. They just made this design more sleek. Changa. So this is how it will look. It's so cute, right? So okay. So this is my 3 night suits where I ended up getting 2 more extra night suits. So next we'll go with okay. So Zudio, I bought 3 night suits and 2 to 3 sets of inner garments. So this is it's cute, right? I know. 3 night suits and 3 to 4 inner garments. And what I got was definitely Zudio is incomplete without the cosmetics. So I got the cosmetics. I'll show what I got. Okay. So first speaking, this wipes. Okay, this wipes cost around 29 rupees, and I got it around 4 to 5 packets. This is really 10 on 10. Trust me, it just it does its job beautifully. I have used this wipes. I have already finished 1 packet of this, so I got around 2 to 3, I guess. Yeah, you can't see. I don't know where I have kept. I bought it around 2 to 3 wipes, so it's really so good. It's called Zudio Erased Eye Makeup Remover Wipes, enriched with cucumber and aloe cranberry. It's a biodegradable thing. So it's used whenever you are trying to mess with, you are trying to do makeup and there is a small mess, then you can use this wipe. This will come as your savior. So trust me, this really works so good. Okay, next thing what I got is actually I heard a lot about this product, but I haven't given it a try. So I thought, okay, let me just give it a try, and it was so affordable. I thought, okay, why not add to cart? It's not add to cart, it's like add to bill because it allows offline purchase, right? So it's about Zudio Whip Head Dry Shampoo, Instant Refresh, and Volume Boost. So it's about this is how it splits. So it's a dry shampoo. I think it will be really helpful for me because whenever I want to do a video content or whatever, if I want to just hang out impromptu plans, then this will come as a savior. Because even if you have applied oil or your hair looks little greasy, then you can use this and your hair will be like that bouncy type, not full bouncy, but it will be like partially, it will be better comparably. So I think this will really works wonder. I have maybe this is one of the essential every girl should have. Okay, next thing what I got was this is a Zudio moisturizing hand cream enriched with hyaluronic acid. So this is what it is. Butterfrost. So this is how it looks. So cute. Okay, I just took a pinch. And it's so affordable, guys. It's like travel friendly, pocket friendly. It's just 80 rupees. You can just use to moisturize your hands. It smells so good. It really smells so good. You should have it in your bag. One day I'll be doing what's in my bag. Okay, you guys let me know should I do that. You guys also let me know in the comments what content should I post in my YouTube. So I'll take your suggestions and I'll work on that. So next thing what I got was the Zudio Shimmer Kajal enriched with vitamin E smudge proof. Usually I'm not a kajal person, but still I wanted to add some elegance to my eyes. So what I did was instead of going with the black, usually people wear black, right? I want to add brown. So it was so affordable. It's just 80 rupees. So I went with the brown shimmer. I don't know how it will be. It's just a new one. You can see it's still packed, right? I'll show this in some get ready with me video. Okay. I don't know how it is. It's written as smudge proof, but I'm not sure is it really smudge proof because for 80 rupees, will it be really smudgeful? I don't know. So let's see. Okay. It's just 80 rupees, guys. I think I'm using a lot of guys, right? Sorry, I will be not using. Next, this is my Zudio gel finish. It's like on the color called, it's like brown. I don't know why, but recently I'm so much of browns. Like wherever I go, I just get browns. That I'm just so obsessed or desperate about the browns. I'll show how much browns I have in my room. Okay, one day I'll show. So this is the Zudio gel finish showing. Okay. It's actually beautiful brown. So I use this because we Muslims can't wear nail polish and pray namas. So I usually use on my cycles day so that I can flaunt with my nails. I usually use this nail cone henna. But whenever I'm on my cycles, I use this. I'll be waiting to wear this nail polish. Yep, I'll. And the next thing what I got was the Zudio Velvet Sin Blur Matte. It's a lipstick. It's actually a lipstick. It's a liquid matte lipstick on the shade of Mystic Rose. It's on the shade of Mystic Rose. Okay, it cost around 199. So I think it's 200. Let me just quickly try in front of you. Okay. Okay. I don't think it will match my shade. I just saw like a bunch of lipsticks. I just took one Inky Pinky Wonky, then I took one. Maybe it will look better if I use my lip liner, right? If I use my dark lip liner and I use this shade, I think that will be a perfect combo. Actually, it's good. You guys let me know in the comments how my shade looks. It's the shade is known as the Mystic Rose. Okay, I think the Zudio haul came to an end. Now what I left is it's a Bintra and Savannah haul. I'll do that in another part because I think the video will be too lengthy. So talking about it's a time for bill. So when they said the total amount, I just pretended to calculate in my head. But honestly, I was just processing life. But genuinely, for the quality and the quantity, it was totally worth it. I'll add my bill, I'll put up my bill in the screen somewhere. So it's not about luxury. Zudio is meant to be the most comfy and the most affordable, and it's up to the trend, up to the mark. Like you get it with your pocket friendly. What else you need, really, right? So if you're looking for a comfy, most comfortable, trending clothes, then definitely Zudio is for you. And you guys, let me know in the comments which is your favorite dress or which is your favorite item that I have picked in my haul. And you let me know, should I do more affordable hauls or I should do a styling video. So I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Bye.